If your iPhone's volume keeps going down automatically, this can be caused by various reasons such as software settings, hardware issues, or specific features like volume limits. Here's how to fix it. Before you do anything, open Setting, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptic, turn on Change with button. Now back to main setting. Solution 1. Disable attention-aware features. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode, scroll down and toggle off attention-aware features. Solution 3. Turn off headphone safety features. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptics or Sounds, tap Headphone Safety, toggle off Reduce Loud Sounds. Solution 4. Check for apps adjusting volume. Close all running apps by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping the apps away. Reopen the app causing the issue and adjust the volume manually. By following these steps, you should be able to stop your iPhone's volume from going down automatically. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.